How to find your stickers on TikTok. Where are my TikTok stickers? If you've been searching all over TikTok trying to find your stickers and coming up empty, stop what you're doing. Because this video is going to save you a ton of frustration. Welcome back. Today we're covering exactly how to find your stickers on TikTok in 2026, whether you're looking for stickers you've saved, ones you've used before, or the built-in sticker library. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your phone and tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen to open the camera and start creating a new video. Step 2. Record your video or upload one from your gallery. Step 3. Once you're on the editing screen, look at the right side panel and tap the stickers icon. It looks like a smiley face. Step 4. This opens the full sticker library. At the top you'll see a search bar. Use this to search for any specific sticker by keyword. Step 5. To find stickers you've recently used, scroll down in the sticker panel and look for the recently used section. TikTok automatically saves your last used stickers right there for quick access. Step 6. If you saved a sticker from someone else's video by holding down on it, tap the Favorites tab inside the sticker panel to find everything you've bookmarked. Step 7. Tap any sticker to place it on your video, then drag, pinch, or rotate it to position it exactly where you want. Pro tip: if you can't find a specific sticker you loved from another creator's video, go back to that video, press and hold directly on the sticker. And TikTok will give you the option to save it straight to your favorites, making it super easy to find next time. And there you have it, your complete guide to finding every sticker on TikTok, from your recent ones to your saved favorites. If this cleared things up for you, give this video a like, hit subscribe for more quick TikTok tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite type of sticker to use on TikTok? See you in the next one.